मैं घर पर अकेला हूँ. I am alone at home. I am alone at home. कृपया जाइए. Please leave. Please leave. माफ कीजिएगा. Excuse me. Excuse me. मुझे नहाने दो. Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. वो मेरा भाई है. He is my brother. He is my brother. आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? आखिर चल क्या रहा है? What exactly is going on? What exactly is going on? मेरी जिंदगी बर्बाद मत करो. Don't spoil my life. Don't spoil my life. मुझे कुछ पैसे चाहिए. I need some money. I need some money. वहाँ कौन है? Who is there? Who is there? तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? मुझे फोन मत करो. Don't call me. Don't call me. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? वहाँ मिलते हैं. See you there. See you there. बेवकूफ मत बनाओ मुझे. Don't make me a fool. Don't make me a fool. इसे फिर से करो. Do it again. Do it again. क्या आप इसे ठीक कर सकते हैं? Can you fix it? Can you fix it? मैं नहीं जानता. I don't know. I don't know. आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? क्या ये सच है? Is it true? Is it true? मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ. I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. तुम्हें जाने की ज़रूरत है. You need to go. You need to go. वो तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है. She looks like you. She looks like you. तुम क्यों हंसते हो? Why do you laugh? Why do you laugh? मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है. I don't like it. I don't like it. हमारे पास खाली समय है. We have free time. We have free time. तुम्हारा ऑफिस कहाँ पर है? Where is your office? Where is your office? मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. I am at home. मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना है. I have to go to the doctor. I have to go to the doctor. जितनी जल्दी हो सके. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. तुम झूठ क्यों बोलते हो? Why do you tell a lie? Why do you tell a lie? तुम क्यों रोते हो? Why do you cry? Why do you cry? मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ. I am doing my work. I am doing my work. मेरी नज़रों से दूर हो जाओ. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. जाने दो. Let it go. Let it go. आपका स्वागत है. You are welcome. You are welcome. मस्ती करो. Have fun. Have fun. मुझसे पंगे मत लो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking you something. I am asking you something. अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें. Take care of your health. Take care of your health. मैं तुमसे लंबा हूँ. I am taller than you. I am taller than you. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. इसे ध्यान से पकड़ो. Hold it carefully. Hold it carefully. हमेशा बड़ों की इज्जत करो. Always respect elders. Always respect elders. अपनी नौटंकी बंद करो. Stop your gimmick. Stop your gimmick. वहाँ कुछ नहीं था. There was nothing there. There was nothing there. हम उसका उपयोग कर सकते हैं. We can use that. We can use that. मेरे पास एक कार है. I have a car. I have a car. मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I can't wait. I can't wait. वे हमारी मदद करेंगे. They will help us. They will help us. मुझे धोखा मत दो. Don't cheat me. Don't cheat me. हम सभी लोग जा रहे हैं. We are all going. We are all going. रहने दो. Let it be. Let it be. मैं उनके बाद पहुंचा. I reached after them. I reached after them. ये बहुत महंगा है. It's very costly. It's very costly. मेरा ये मतलब नहीं है. I don't mean it. I don't mean it. ये मेरा है. This is mine. This is mine. पंखा बंद करो. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. उसे कोशिश करने दो. Let him try. Let him try. वो झूठ बोलता है. He tells lies. He tells lies. हम नाश्ता कर रहे हैं. We are having breakfast. We are having breakfast. तुम कब मिलोगे? When will you meet? When will you meet? मैं तुम पर भरोसा कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I trust you? How can I trust you? मैं कुछ कह रही हूँ. I am saying something. I am saying something. तुम ऐसे क्यों हो? Why are you like this? Why are you like this? कितना प्यारा. How lovely. How lovely. आप कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? क्या आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? क्या आपको अच्छी नींद आई? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? मैं आ रहा हूँ. I am coming. I am coming. उसे यहाँ से बाहर निकालो. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. खबरदार. Beware. Beware. अपने बाल बना लो. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? मैं कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता. I never tell a lie. I never tell a lie. कोई जल्दी नहीं. No hurry. No hurry. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं है. I don't remember anything. I don't remember anything. आप किससे मिलना चाहते हैं? Who do you want to meet? Who do you want to meet? तुमने मुझे जगाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. I didn't expect this from you. I didn't expect this from you. क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा है? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? मैं सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए जिंदा हूं. I am alive only for you. I am alive only for you. मुझे तुमसे प्यार है. I am in love with you. I am in love with you. हमेशा सत्य बोलो. Always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. क्या आप वहां मौजूद हैं? Are you there? Are you there? मैं तंग आ गया हूं. I am fed up. I am fed up. मेरी बुराई ढूंढना बंद करो. Stop finding my evil. Stop finding my evil. निराश मत होइए. Don't get disappointed. Don't get disappointed. दूसरों की मदद करना सीखो. Learn to help others. Learn to help others. ये तुम्हारी गलती है. It's your mistake. It's your mistake. तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare you? How dare you? मैं वहां अक्सर जाता हूं. I often go there. I often go there. मैं कभी बुरा नहीं मानता. I never mind. I never mind. आपका स्टेशन आ गया. Your station has arrived. Your station has arrived. अंधेरा हो रहा है. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. मैं एक बार वहां गई थी. I went there once. I went there once. मैं थक गया हूं. I am tired. I am tired. आप अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं. You can speak English. You can speak English. चलो वहां चलते हैं. Let's go there. Let's go there. क्या आपको पैसों की जरूरत है? Do you need money? Do you need money? उसी जगह पर. On the spot. On the spot. उनके 2 बच्चे हैं. They have 2 children. They have 2 children. मुझे वापस कॉल करो. Call me back. Call me back. मैं अकेला आया हूं. I have come alone. I have come alone. क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is it yours? Is it yours? कम से कम एक बार तो आओ. Come at least once. Come at least once. चलो साथ में चलते हैं. Let's go together. Let's go together. वे लोग कब आएंगे? When will they come? When will they come? इसे करीब से देखें. Watch it closely. Watch it closely. ये सब मेरी गलती है. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. मेरी चापलूसी मत करो। डोंट फ्लैटर मी। डोंट फ्लैटर मी। वो दूसरों को पसंद करती है। शी लाइक्स द अदर। शी लाइक्स द अदर। अपनी अंग्रेजी सुधारो। इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश। इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश। तुम कब पहुंचोगे? When will you arrive? When will you arrive? यहाँ कोई नहीं है। Nobody is here. Nobody is here. ये तुम्हारे लिए था। It was for you. It was for you. ये आप पर निर्भर करता है। It's up to you. It's up to you. वह मेरे पास से गुजरी। She passed by me. She passed by me. मुझसे बात करो। Talk to me. Talk to me. अपने जूते निकालो। Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। I don't care. I don't care. ये कितने का है? How much is it? How much is it? जोर से मत बोलो। Don't speak loudly. Don't speak loudly. मैंने इसे अभी बनाया। I just made it. I just made it. तुम्हारा इरादा क्या है? What is your intention? What is your intention? आखिरकार हो गया। Finally it's done. Finally it's done. तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? इसे मत छुओ। Don't touch it. Don't touch it. मुझे दूसरा पसंद है। I like the second one. I like the second one. कभी हार मत मानो। Never give up. Never give up. मैं बस से आया। I came by bus. I came by bus. मूर्ख मत बनो। Don't be silly. Don't be silly. क्या आपने नहीं खरीदा है? Did you not buy this? Did you not buy this? इसे अभी ठीक करो। Fix it now. Fix it now. मैं अभी भी नहीं जानता। I still don't know. I still don't know. बिल्कुल नहीं। Not at all. Not at all. पंखा चला दो। Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. यहाँ से रेलवे स्टेशन कितना दूर है? How far is the railway station from here? How far is the railway station from here? जल्दी आओ वरना मैं तुमसे बात नहीं करूँगा। Come soon otherwise I won't talk to you. Come soon otherwise I won't talk to you. So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी। सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग।